All right, let's go ahead and check it out. Take it out of the sheath. Boom, look at this guy. All right. It definitely is a very nice leather. I want to say even smells like leather too. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel and you're watching Miguel EDC. So you can tell by the title and thumbnail of this video, we're on a 3-video series, unboxing series from Flissa knives. They send out these knives over to me just to review, just to do unboxing, provide feedback, etc. The spirit of full disclosure, I will be transparent and share that with you guys like I mentioned on the original video. So even though these knives came at no extra cost to me, I'm going to treat it and give you the feedback the same way as if it were a knife that I purchased with my own money. On the first video, we checked out this little guy right here, right? This tiny but mighty little guy here from Flissa with a D2 blade right there, right? Wooden handles, right? So very, very nice. Oh, nice. Okay. You could definitely thumb deploy this guy. And can you reverse flick? Let's try that. Oh, come on now. Bruh. Oh, come on now. You can do it. That was the first guy that we unboxed. If you want to check out that video, you can. This other guy we unboxed in the channel here is a longer 4.75 inch. Definitely a chunker right here. Look how big this guy is. So we unboxed this guy, gave some first impressions on it as well. So check out that unboxing video. Also, if you haven't already, break it in before it can fully flip the entire way. And last but not least, we have this guy here. This is a 8.5 inch Damascus fixed blade knife with a leather sheath, right? So I'm excited for that. And to do the honors on this guy is gonna be my original Flissa knife right here, right? This is the original Flissa folding knife in the channel. The very first Flissa knife that I got, also with a D2. So if you wanna check out the review on this guy is out already. So not only the unboxing, but the review, if you wanna check those out. But without further ado, guys, let's cut into it. Whoa, got a little bit of a picture here in the back so we can kind of see already right off the bat what we're going to be working with. I'm excited for that. Let's go ahead and make some cuts here. All right, see if we can get in there. All right, guys, here we go. Okay, oh, wait a second, need a couple more cuts. There we go. Now we're talking. Boom, look at this. Well, the presentation of the box in this guy is definitely different than the other ones. Got a nice thank you note right here. This has been the running joke right now on this video series. So I got a picture of Florida right there. So if you've never been to Florida, you're wondering what Florida looks like, boom, that's right there. That's Florida for you, right? Very cold, right? You definitely don't want to go there during the winter time. All right, all jokes aside, put that thank you note there to the side. And oh my goodness, check this thing out. Holy moly. I want to say in the channel, we have not done a fixed blade up until this point. So this is officially the channel's first fixed blade, right? And what a way to start. What a way to get some fixed blades here for sure. Look at this thing. Check out the design on this guy. This is something else. So got the Flissa logo right here, very nice button right there. Got a nice stitching going on right here at the bottom with a nice little design right there as well. All right, let's go ahead and check it out. Take it out of the sheath. Boom, look at this guy. All right, look at this, y'all. Oh my goodness, let me get the light to hit it the right angle right there. Look at that. Wow, that is something else. Let me know, rate this Damascus here on a scale from 1 to 10. Let me know in the comments how you like it. But yeah, this looks very, very nice right there as a design. Oh my goodness. And keep in mind, I'm not a fixed blade guy, but this knife right here has me thinking, hey, you know, there's a spot in my heart for fixed blades for sure. And I may just start doing more fixed blades in the channel going forward. That's for sure. But yeah, look at that. The handle feels super nice. It fits my whole hand, right? And also with this, you know, finger choil right here gives you the ability to forward choke if you want to, which is also very nice for more precise cuts, right? Right there. You certainly can. That is nice. So nice wooden handle with also a very nice design here that hides the screws that are holding the handle in place. This knife is a full tang, right? So that means that the actual blade steel goes all the way around to the handle as well. That is definitely a good thing to have. Got some weight to it, this guy. Definitely got some weight to it for sure, but it feels nice and comfortable on the hand, right? Very, very nice and comfortable on the hand. Got some jimping going on right here at the top. Let's see if you guys can see that on your end. There it is. Got some nice jimping going on right there, and it actually stretches a good amount, right? So that's a good thing to have that going all around. And if I forward choke, well, I can even get even more precise with my cuts as well. This guy has I want to say a drop point design. Yeah, definitely looks like a drop point, somewhat sheep's foot design in a way, but more drop point than anything, I would say. I'm not a knife blade shape expert by any means, but I want to say this poster right here has helped a lot along the way. If you haven't checked that out, by the way, there's a video on that NAS poster if you want to check that out as well. But of course, you have to do the customary paper check on this guy right out of the box. I'm gonna forward choke on it here, and let's see how well it cuts. Whoa, okay, I mean, whoa, look at that, right out of the box. This thing is extremely sharp. I want to say I didn't get a chance to check out what type of steel this is. I don't think it says it on the box, so I'm going to research that obviously for the review. Right, if you want to find out more details about this guy, make sure to check out the review, which is going to be dropping in the channel in a few weeks. But yeah, this guy is a solid fixed blade. Look at this thing. It's cutting like it's nobody's business. I think you guys get the idea right there. This guy is beyond sharp right there out of the box. Check out the wood detail, right? The wood detail, I think it's the camera doesn't do it justice. It's very nice and polished. This details here also look very high-end, right? Very nice and polished as well. All right, get you guys a close-up on the blade right there. Look at that. The way the light hits it, that pattern is sexy right there. As for this leather sheath, guys, I don't think I'm giving it enough justice, all right? I don't think the camera gives it enough justice. It definitely is a very nice leather. I say even smells like leather too. Some nice stitching going on here on this like yellowish orange string there. Very nice design all around. Of course, got your belt clip right here, or belt loop, so you can put it around your waist. Obviously, that's where you guys gonna be hanging out until the time comes, and taking it out is gonna be very simple. This guy comes off easily like that, and then just slide it out. I mean, it's very nice and well made, right? No doubts about that. And then once you're done with your EDC task of the day, you can go ahead and just, you know, have it ready for the next task. That being said, I can't wait to EDC this guy. I'm excited for my first fixed blade experience and what that's gonna be all about. So that's gonna be interesting for sure. I mean, this guy is gonna be a solid start to begin with. Check out the links in the description, guys. If you are interested in any of these knives, you wanna check them out. Check the price. Again, more details dropping when I do the review, but at least you get a first impression, first opinion, first look, first glance, right, at what they are all about. But yeah, guys, a very solid knife for out of the box. If you guys want to go ahead and see the review on this guy, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll be EDCing this guy for a little while here, about a few weeks, before I drop a review on the channel. But man, that Damascus design right there, that is something else. That looks super nice right there. All right, very nice design going on. All right, guys, if you made it this far, you are the real MVP. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Don't forget to check out the review on this guy dropping in a few weeks, guys. Take care. I'll see you next time. Peace.